Google just launched a fun new feature. You can now create personalized storybooks with AI using Gemini. It's called Storybook, and it works right inside Gemini's website and the mobile app. It generates not just the story, but also full-page AI illustrations for every scene. Here's how to try it. Go to gemini.google.com and sign in with your Google account. On the left sidebar, click on Explore Gems. Now scroll and find the one called Storybook. Type what you want, like the moon falls from the sky and works with animal friends to find her way back home, learning about kindness on the journey. Then hit enter. Gemini will generate a full story with custom illustrations. It may take a few seconds, but the results are pretty fun and visually rich. You'll also see a listen button at the top. Tap it to hear the story read aloud. You can even tweak the voice pitch and speed. If you want to save it locally on your device or share it with other devices, you can click the share icon, select print, and save it as a PDF. Next, let's learn how you can do it on your phone using the Gemini app. First, make sure your Gemini app is updated to the latest version. Check the App Store on iPhone or the Play Store on Android. Launch the app on your phone. At the top left corner, tap the chat icon. Scroll down and look for the section called Gems. If you see Storybook, tap it. If not, tap the right arrow to see more gems. To make it easier, go to the By Google tab and tap on Storybook. As you can see, the Storybook feature is currently not available on Android, so instead you can visit gemini.google.com in your Chrome browser and click on the sidebar and select Storybook, or tap on Explore Gems and here select the Storybook. Just like your desktop, enter the prompt and it will generate a story. Wait for a few minutes, it will generate a full story. Unlike desktop, you need to scroll down on mobile to view the full story. Click on the share icon to download it locally on your device, and click on the listen button to listen to the story. And that's it. So that's how you can generate personalized AI storybooks using Google Gemini, both on desktop and mobile. If you found this helpful, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to TechPP for more such guides and AI tools you can actually use in real life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.